Choosing the right niche on YouTube isn't just about finding a topic you're passionate about. It's also about strategically positioning yourself to maximize your earnings. The difference between a profitable YouTube channel and one that struggles to generate income often comes down to one critical factor: the niche you choose. When we talk about earning potential on YouTube, two key metrics come into play: RPM and CPM. RPM stands for revenue per mil, which means how much money you earn for every 1,000 views on your videos. CPM, or cost per mil, refers to how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 ad impressions on your content. These metrics are crucial because they directly impact how much you earn from your videos. The niche you select can dramatically influence your RPM and CPM. Advertisers pay more to reach audiences that are likely to spend money on high-ticket products or services. This is why some creators can make significantly more money with fewer views. They're simply in niches where advertisers are willing to spend big to reach their target audience. Let's start with one of the most lucrative niches on YouTube: software. The software niche is a goldmine for content creators because it ticks all the boxes for high CPM. Software companies often operate on a subscription-based model, meaning customers pay a recurring fee every month. This recurring revenue model makes each customer extremely valuable, and as a result, software companies are willing to invest heavily in acquiring new customers. They understand that once they secure a customer, they'll continue to earn from them over time. This willingness to invest translates into higher CPMs for content creators who produce videos about software, particularly those that highlight tools, platforms, or services that businesses might use. For example, videos about project management software or productivity tools can attract extremely high CPMs, sometimes even reaching impressive figures for just 1,000 views. Another niche that consistently delivers high RPM and CPM is online business. This niche covers a broad range of topics, from dropshipping and e-commerce to digital marketing and entrepreneurship. What makes the online business niche so profitable is the combination of software companies and educators, often referred to as gurus, who are eager to promote their tools, platforms, and courses. For instance, dropshipping is a popular topic within this niche. Dropshipping videos attract not only software companies offering e-commerce platforms and tools, but also individuals selling high-ticket courses on how to succeed in the business. The viewers of these videos are typically individuals looking to start or grow their own online businesses, and they're often willing to invest in the resources that can help them achieve their goals. This creates a perfect environment for high CPMs, as advertisers know they're reaching an audience with purchasing power and a clear intention to spend. One of the most well-known and consistently high-paying niches on YouTube is finance. The finance niche includes topics such as investing, personal finance, budgeting, real estate, and fintech. Advertisers in the financial services industry, such as banks, investment firms, and insurance companies, are always looking to acquire new customers, and they're willing to pay a premium to do so. The reason is simple: customers in the finance sector are incredibly valuable. Whether it's opening a new bank account, signing up for a credit card, or investing in stocks, these actions can lead to long-term customer relationships that are highly profitable for companies. Because of this, videos in the finance niche often command some of the highest CPMs on YouTube. Creators in this space can earn significantly more per 1,000 views compared to those in less lucrative niches, making it one of the best niches to be in if you're looking to maximize your ad revenue. However, it's important to note that while these niches offer high earning potential, they can also be highly competitive. The finance niche, for instance, is well known for its saturation. Many creators have recognized the profitability of finance-related content, leading to a crowded field. But that doesn't mean you can't succeed. The key to breaking through the competition is to find your unique angle or approach. This might involve targeting a specific subset of the finance niche, such as budgeting tips for millennials, or focusing on emerging trends that haven't yet become mainstream. The same applies to other high CPM niches. In the online business space, for example, you might focus on a specific business model that's gaining traction but hasn't yet been widely covered, such as a new trend in e-commerce or a novel digital marketing strategy. By positioning yourself as an early expert in these emerging areas, you can capture a loyal audience before the niche becomes oversaturated, and enjoy the benefits of high CPMs without having to compete with a large number of established creators. In summary, the niche you choose on YouTube has a profound impact on your earning potential. By focusing on high RPM and high CPM niches like software, online business, and finance, you can significantly increase your earnings per view. The key is to create content that not only resonates with your audience, but also attracts advertisers willing to pay premium prices to reach that audience. By doing so, you'll be able to maximize your revenue while building a sustainable and profitable YouTube channel.